Welcome back, food lovers. There are so many reasons why I love the Christmas. For me, Christmas is a season that brings so much love, happiness and delicious dishes in our lives.
It's snowing!
I prepared for you some Christmas recipes that will be posted on my YouTube channel, and I really hope you will find inspiration here and you'll have a blessed and wonderful Christmas full of delicious dishes. Today is about these super quick 3 ingredients Oreo Truffles. Start by adding the Oreo cookies in a food processor and process them until finely ground. You can also place the cookies in a plastic bag and crush finely using a rolling pin. We will reserve 2 tablespoons of cookie crumbs for garnishing. Add in a medium bowl the cream cheese and the cookie crumbs and knead until well combined. This is the texture our truffles have at this moment, but don't worry if it's too sticky. The mixture needs to be refrigerated for about 1 hour in order for us to form the truffle balls. Once ready, shape into about 2 cm balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Freeze them for about 1 hour. Meanwhile, start melting the chocolate. Add some water in a saucepan and once it's boiling, add the bowl with the chocolate. Stir until the chocolate is completely melted. Remove the balls from the freezer and using a fork, dip and coat each bowl with melted white chocolate and place it back on a parchment paper. Sprinkle with the reserved cookie crumbs. Place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes until the chocolate hardens and then serve them. Bon appetit, my dears, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to receive the notifications every time I post a new recipe. Enjoy every single moment of your life and have a blessed Christmas. With love, Adnana.